Hello, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I am unboxing the Apple Smart Keyboard, which is yet another accessory that I have bought for my iPad Pro. So yes, without further ado, let's go for it. Okay, so here is the Smart Keyboard. I bought it in an Apple premium reseller. So yep, here's the back, explains the functions of it. And yep, so no easy opener here, so we'll have to get the good old cutter. Open here, and it should be enough, indeed. So, lifting the lid up, here it is. So, nice tab here to pull it off. And well, first here is some paperwork, which includes the instructions as usual, iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, a leaflet with all the functions, all the warranty information, and all that stuff. Designed by Apple in California, but you didn't know that. And then we remove the lid. Here is the keyboard itself. So it's all wrapped up in plastic, but we can remove it. And it reveals all the microfiber, the keyboard itself, and this nice touch for the outer surface. So if we remove everything, put all aside, we can attach it to our iPad. Here's the smart connector. I'm gonna show you over here. So now what we do is plug it in the iPad's smart connector, and boom, it's done. Here it is. So the keyboard itself, we have to do this. There's a bit of plastic in here to protect it, and put it back so you can see it. And here, boom, it's connected. So now we have our nice iPad Pro with its smart keyboard. One thing I don't like is that the microfiber down here is the one that will protect the screen, so that's kind of a nod. We can unlock it, and it's nice to type. So if we go into notes, for example, type here, we can see here all the functions and the predictive, and also we have all the shortcuts from the Mac. For example, we should have, we made a screenshot, and in iOS 11, if we press Command Shift 4, it will open up here. So with the Apple Pencil, we can edit it and draw stuff, and it's pretty nice. Also, we got this app switcher, and with Command Shift tab, we go to the previous app. No escape though, which is interesting. And also we can switch to the emoji, not at home but in notes. We can switch to the emoji keyboard quite easily, and it's pretty nice. Also, if we type anything, we have all the arrows here to move through the text, which is nice. The touch is pretty nice actually, and overall I like it a lot. I have been testing it in the Apple Store before buying it, and it looks pretty decent. So yep, this is the iPad Pro with the smart keyboard, and with iOS 11 and with the Apple Pencil. Should give you the perfect combo to replace a laptop. Okay, so this has been the unboxing of the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, and yeah, I think it's a pretty good accessory. Yeah, it can be a bit pricey, but it's worth it in my opinion because of a few things that I will tell you. First off, and most importantly, is that you do not have to charge it. Thanks to the smart keyboard, the smart connector, sorry, you just plug it in and it takes the necessary energy from your iPad, so you don't have to be worried if you charge it or not. That doesn't happen with the Apple Pencil, sadly, but yeah, you don't have to charge it that much. Next is that it can also double as a case. As you saw earlier, you can have it like this and standing on the table, or like this, or even like this to use the keyboard itself. Also, while not in use, you can just protect the screen with this soft surface. The only thing I don't like is that when you're typing, this actual surface is the one that goes in the table, so if it's dirty, that's all going to go to your screen later. Also, in the 10.5 inch iPad Pro, you can do this, and that's perfect. Sadly, that's not a possibility in the larger one, because the keyboard was released earlier and Apple didn't thought about that apparently. But this is a really strong magnet. You can carry your iPad like this, and you don't have to get an extra case for the Apple Pencil. So yes, this has been everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed this series of iPad accessory unboxings. If you have any questions about the smart keyboard or any other accessory, please leave it down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with all Apple news, and subscribe here on YouTube for more videos of this if you liked it. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.